Welcome back to the everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we have something special for all the motorcycle enthusiasts out there. We're diving into a detailed review of the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GL1800. Whether you're an experienced rider or a newbie, this iconic touring motorcycle has a lot to offer, and we're going to break it all down for you. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing GL1800 is the latest iteration of Honda's flagship touring motorcycle, and as always, Honda has raised the bar in terms of technology, comfort, performance, and design. The Gold Wing has been a favorite among long-distance riders for decades, and the 2026 version continues to uphold this legacy with even more advanced features and improvements. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GL1800, from its design and performance to its high-tech features. So sit back, relax, and let's take an in-depth look at this magnificent machine. Let's begin by talking about the design of the 2026 Gold Wing. Honda has kept the classic silhouette that riders know and love, but there are some subtle refinements that give the Gold Wing a more modern and streamlined look. The front end features a more angular headlamp design, while the rear has a sleeker tail section with integrated lighting. These design updates not only improve aesthetics, but also enhance aerodynamics and ride comfort, especially on those long highway journeys. One of the most notable features of the 2026 Gold Wing is its twin-spar aluminum frame. This frame is lightweight yet incredibly strong, which contributes to the bike's exceptional handling and stability. The frame is paired with an independent double wishbone front suspension, which is unique to the Gold Wing and ensures a smooth and responsive ride. The rear suspension features a ProLink system, which also helps maintain a comfortable ride regardless of road conditions. The engine is another standout feature of the 2026 Gold Wing. It's powered by a 1,833 cubic centimeters six-cylinder engine, and while this is the same engine used in previous models, Honda has made some subtle tweaks to improve efficiency and performance. The engine produces an impressive 125 horsepower, which is more than enough to handle any road conditions you might encounter, whether you're cruising on the freeway or tackling twisty mountain roads. Honda has also made improvements to the transmission system in the 2026 Gold Wing. The bike now comes with a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, but there's also the option for a DCT or dual-clutch transmission, which is a significant step forward in terms of convenience. The DCT system offers seamless gear changes without the need for a clutch lever, making it easier to ride, especially for long-distance touring. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Gold Wing doesn't disappoint. The bike is equipped with electronic throttle control, allowing for precise throttle inputs, and a ride-by-wire system, which offers smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling mountain passes, the Gold Wing provides an incredibly stable and comfortable ride. Speaking of comfort, the seating on the 2026 Gold Wing is second to none. The seat is made from high-density foam and has been designed to provide maximum comfort for long-distance riders. The passenger seat is equally comfortable, and the bike also comes with a heated seat option, which is perfect for those chilly mornings or colder rides. The rider's seat is fully adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect riding position for your height and comfort level. Wind protection is another area where the 2026 Gold Wing excels. The bike is equipped with a large, adjustable windshield that can be easily raised or lowered to suit the rider's preferences. The design of the windshield ensures that you're protected from the wind, rain, and debris, even at high speeds. The Gold Wing's aerodynamics have been improved as well, with a more streamlined design that reduces wind buffeting and makes for a quieter ride overall. Let's talk about the electronics now, because the 2026 Gold Wing is packed with high-tech features. At the heart of the electronics package is a 7-inch full-color TFT display, which provides a wealth of information at your fingertips. The display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and offers intuitive controls. You can use it to access the bike's navigation system, music, phone, and other functions. Plus, the display is paired with Honda's Bluetooth-enabled audio system, which allows you to connect your smartphone or other devices wirelessly for seamless music streaming or hands-free calling. The 2026 Gold Wing also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, so you can easily access your phone's apps, music, and contacts directly from the bike's display. This integration is a game changer for riders who want to stay connected while on the road. You can answer calls, listen to music, or get directions without ever having to take your hands off the handlebars. For those who enjoy long trips with plenty of luggage, the 2026 Gold Wing offers ample storage space. The bike comes with 2 large saddlebags, each with a generous 30 liters of space, as well as a spacious trunk with an additional 50 liters of storage capacity. The saddlebags are easy to open and close, and they're designed to keep your belongings secure and dry, even in wet conditions. Now let's talk about safety, because the 2026 Gold Wing has some of the most advanced safety features you'll find on any motorcycle. First and foremost, the bike is equipped with ABS anti-lock braking system, which ensures that you can stop safely in a variety of conditions. The Gold Wing also comes with Honda's selectable torque control system, which helps manage wheel spin and maintain traction when riding on slippery or uneven surfaces. For even more advanced safety, the Gold Wing offers an optional airbag system. This airbag is designed to deploy in the event of a frontal collision, helping to protect the rider from injury. While the airbag is an optional feature, it's a testament to Honda's commitment to rider safety and innovation. Another important safety feature on the 2026 Gold Wing is Honda's lane departure warning system. This system uses sensors to detect when the rider unintentionally drifts out of their lane and provides a warning to help keep the rider safe. There's also a collision mitigation braking system, which can apply the brakes automatically if a potential collision is detected, further enhancing safety on the. Now that we've covered the design, performance, comfort, electronics, and safety features, let's talk about the pricing and availability of the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GL1800. As of the latest reports, the base model of the 2026 Gold Wing starts at around $23,000, with the premium versions, which include additional features like the airbag system and additional electronic upgrades, coming in at around $26,000. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep riding safely and exploring the open road. See you in the next video.